Grace is the unstoppable force that shatters mountains of guilt and floods the deserts of your soul with life-giving waters. It carries you through the fiercest fires without leaving a trace of ash upon your spirit. Grace is not a reward. It cannot be bought, earned, or deserved. It is a boundless ocean, an infinite embrace, waiting only for you to receive it. No failure is too deep, no mistake too great. Grace has no limits. It rebuilds what was broken, restores what was lost, and rewrites your story with hope. You may have wandered far, fallen hard, or doubted yourself, but grace does not measure your worth by your past. It sees only the brilliance of your future. You are not forgotten. You are pursued. Like a relentless tide, grace seeks you. In your darkest hours, your weakest moments, your deepest regrets. It does not wait for perfection. It runs toward you, arms open, whispering, "You are loved. You are forgiven. Your past does not define you." This is the miracle of grace. It does not keep score. It does not tally your failures or weigh your worth. It is a gift freely given, paid for long before you stumbled. You need only accept it, rise from the shadows, and step into the light of a new beginning. Grace says, "No matter how far you've fallen, I will lift you. No matter how many times you've turned away, I will still call your name. You cannot outrun my love, because my love does not give up on you, on your dreams, or on the greatness still waiting to unfold in your life."